There's a lot to consider when working with people, especially if you're trying to do something different. And that's what we find ourselves in as we experiment with different farm techniques and building techniques even. We want to do something different, something that maybe local people haven't seen before. The human element, or the quintessence, it represents the labor that we put in to what we do. One of the hidden maybe benefits, cultural bonuses to doing what other people do in the region is that other people have knowledge and experience. When you're building something, you're probably going to use, if you hire some local people, a building style that those local people know, maybe a traditional building style for the region. Where I come from, Wisconsin, it's wood frame. Here in Columbia, it seems to be like cement and fire brick. But when you bring a new building style in, you can hire from the local labor pool, but you'll have to train them or at least tell them what you want them to do, especially if that's different than what they know. One of the benefits to having a coffee farm here is local people know the jobs associated with the traditional and more modern monoculture coffee practices. And there's some excitement in that, training new people, working with different people, selecting the most flexible and willing learners and workers. And I have today a collection of some clips that we've put together. Still working on, they're always excited to get on camera, but I'm still figuring out some things about how I can integrate them into the videos. And I'm working on some other things too, including maybe a haircut. So see you guys in the next one. I'll clip on some of the things that we've been working on lately and talk to you soon. We've been working hard here at finishing up this Earthbag Construction. This is an eco-dome, and we're quite excited about this. Been working with two young guys who I want to introduce you to, and let's try the first shot. We took a video, and they were a little embarrassed about their ability to communicate. Here we are. Welcome to our Earthbag Construction here on Buena Vista Farm. We're finishing up the second story above the mezzanine here with Brian and Sebastian. Oh, these guys, local workers, they're a little nervous. Say hello, guys. ¿Qué quieres decir en el video?
Yes, hello.
Bien, quedando muy bueno esta vaina.
Bien, quedando muy bueno esta vaina, vean.
Traducido en español, sí.
It's turning out very good, everyone. We've been preparing this material so we can continue to build the dome. And I've been working with these two young guys here. Brian?
We are working here.
Oh, excellent, Brian. What about you?
Okay, no me presenté. My name is Brian.
Nice to meet you, Brian.
Sebastián.
Say what, man? Okay, cut.
Hello, my name is Joan Sebastián. We are digging the soil.
Fantastic. As you can see here, we've managed to pile up quite a bit of this wood, and we're working our way through it. We've got a Chinese chipper, Sunjo. We may one day need a slightly larger machine, but we're moving through it, we're processing it, and this has made us a little more aware of how we need to organize the material. And so let's get back to work. There he goes.